In this video, I'm going to be showing you all the current capabilities of Pulse as of July 22nd, 2026, and then also how you can connect it pretty easily to ChatGPT and Claude. And the thing I love the most about software nowadays is that you're not locked in anymore. I mean, we have MCPs and APIs, so you can easily connect them. This is just kind of like what I have been using to run my business internally, and I'm opening it up to a few other businesses coming soon. So, just one thing that I do is I make different social media clips. So, I'll have AI write me a script, but then AI can also just do a lot of video generated content now. So I'll put an overlay of what that looks like for me, but you can see here how AI was
Meta
able
just
to
patented AI that listens to your voice all day to figure
kind of make like some different clips here. So we have like a video suite if you want to make some clips that are like more voiceovers, or you can create different ads for some products. So yeah, that's one of the options we have here. I'll show some of those as well.
3 seconds to find your exact issues. It builds your custom 3-step routine to instantly eliminate bumps and dryness.
We have a few different AI agents that are able to just kind of engage in email campaigns. So every day I have some that will write drafts for emails, do research on different industries and different um, just verticals that I do want to market in. So you can see that we have like kind of a pipeline of so many emails. You can see the different drafts that it'll write, and then we can just go send them from here. And you can either send them from your existing domain, or we have subdomains. So you're not negatively impacted because if you know anything about cold emailing, you have to send like so many different emails here. We have really just the CRM here. So we have all of the different people that we do want to follow up with. These could be clients, these could be prospects, or whoever we want. We have abilities to call them, email them, view their website. You can do AI voice calling, or you can just generate different text messages to be sent as well. Or you can send the emails directly from your browser if you don't want to have the AI agent like send them that way. We also have some capabilities that you can find some different events that are near you and just different news articles. Now, the news research can be customized to your brand and your company. For myself, I just do mainly AI news because that's like the what I want to be known as when I do my posts and my blogs and everything. We want it to base out of just AI. So that's our focus. But if you're in any different space, you can customize it there as well. And then also what I like the most and what I'll be showing you all in this video is we're able to connect to other agents. So we can connect to Hermes agent, we can connect to OpenClaw, and that'll just be able to do like any of the tasks that we want to do into Claude code. So I'm just going to walk through that. Yeah, so I'll just give an example here of my existing Hermes agent. I have it set up through Telegram right now, but if you are looking to use it through any tools, you can see that it works here. So I'll just ask it like a basic question like this, and when you set it up, it's to your environment, so it's not going to look at any of the other people in here, any of my people. So you can see it's probably going to do like a voice message, which might be a little bit annoying, but that's how I have my Hermes set up. And if you want any agents to be set up, this can be from your phone, this can be from your email, how you're interacting with it. And again, everything that you're seeing here is not to be, you're not locked into the software. You can have this connected with any MCP for any tool that you're using. So it's about the functionality. That's what we're going for.
Yes, boss. I am connected directly to Pulse.
So you can
Here
see
is the live status of your lead pipeline.
set
Bar
lead,
chart
set
pipeline
lead.
overview. Metric count.
I guess it did a bar chart.
Total leads 119. Leads with email
Yeah.
111. Contacted 83, 8 in last 24H. Working inventory 28. Uncontacted with email ready. Emails sent 117. Open file folder lead breakdown by source.
Okay, so it's just, I should have asked a more specific question actually. Okay, so Yeah, that question was kind of vague, like tell me about my leads. I mean, it worked, but you just need more of a pointed question. So it's just telling me who I should reach out to and why. I think it said Aaron. Let's see.
You should reach out to Aaron at SCR immediately.
There you go.
Here is why and what to do next.
So
Fire Priority 1, Aaron, SCR.
yeah, and you can see it's like
Field
one of the
Details.
hot leads there. So
Contact Aaron. Company SCR. Email Aaron at site.
so yeah, you can see it'll like just based on some of the data there tell you who to reach out to. Okay, now that you've seen what the software can actually do, we're going to actually be showing you how you can connect it to anything like ChatGPT, Claude Code, or your agent harness. So this is the landing page. If you scroll to the bottom, then we can just go to, oh, actually, I didn't update it yet. Yeah. So you should scroll to connect your AI. And from here, it'll just walk through exactly how to connect it. So the first thing that we're going to do is actually get our API key directly from Pulse, and then you're going to basically paste this into Claude and ChatGPT to connect it. Okay, so you're going to want to hit settings on the bottom left, and then from there you will scroll down to extension. And from here, you're not going to want to share your workspace key with anybody. This is like a password. You want it to be private, so I won't be sharing mine here. And you can go copy that. And just like the URL here, you're going to want to copy this, and then that's where you paste your API key, but that's where it is for reference. So we'll start out with just how to set things up in Claude desktop. So it's pretty straightforward in the instructions, but you're going to want to go to settings, connectors, add a custom connector, and then do it. So we'll do that now. So again, now that we're in Claude desktop, we can go to the bottom left, select our account, go to settings. We will go to connectors. And from there, we can add a custom connector, select add custom connector, and just name it Pulse. We'll put that URL. Okay, and then we don't need any OAuth because our private key is our auth settings. We can add it there. Select connect. Okay, and then Pulse should be connected just like that. And you can see just some of the actions that we have here. You can assemble videos, call leads, email leads, generate scripts, overlays, and do all of this fun stuff here. Now, if we go to the chat, let's go to regular chat. Should be able to use one of the connectors here. Well, I guess it's already connected, so let's just see. Okay, so you can see it just pops up like any extension. And there you go. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing in ChatGPT. And to do that, you'll click on your account, go to settings, go to plugins, and then you're going to want to go to developer mode here. And you'll want to make sure developer mode is enabled or this won't work. So you go ahead and click this to make sure developer mode is on. You can close that, and then you'll see this plus button appear when you hit select plugins on the left. And you don't need, well, yeah, then you would just type in from here, go to Pulse, type in the URL from before. Okay, and then we don't need any OAuth here. Click understand and create. And I actually got an error because I actually already made this connector like before the video just to make sure that it worked. So you can see mine is already made, but it'll work for you. and then I think it'll give you an option to install it, and then you can just try it in chat. And if you don't have the option to try it, you just hit the plus button and it should pop up here. So again, I can say something generic. And something cool here is if you do have, oh, I just have to connect that. Yeah, so there we go. And something cool here is if you do have Pulse connected as a tool and you have any other tools such as like a Shopify tool, then you can use both of these at once and you can say, okay, what's my best selling Shopify product and make an ad for that product with the Pulse tools. So I hope this helped you guys so you can see how to set things up if you do want to use Pulse within anything other than the actual software itself. We can connect to different agents, ChatGPT, Claude, everything there. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know. And if you are looking to set this up for your business and automate a lot of repetitive tasks, feel free to go to faithlineai.com/pulse, and I'll see you guys in the next one.